Tuan Imran. Okey, kita ada permintaan AU daripada Cik Didi dan juga GU daripada Cik Joey. Selamat malam Cik Joey.
Cik Didi ni kira kita kena bagi satu hadiah untuk dia kot. Sebab saya tengok dia first tadi dia masuk and then quite loyal, saya nampak every week dia join kita punya sesi. Okay,
Yeah.
so kita tengok AU okay. AU. Height.
Alright.
AU. Boleh nampak skrin saya?
Boleh.
Okay, I think we talked about this. Okay, kalau daily dia nampak terlalu kecil untuk saya nak tunjuk sebab kita buat every week. Okay, I think we talked about this level because previously 7250 was the resistance, and then this I wouldn't say fake out, but this move to push the market sentiment was good. So 73 cent was holding, but since then I was also mentioning I think Didi probably can confirm it. I think this move, I actually mentioned it last week also, and looking at it, this move, because market sentiment is not so good at this point. So we are expecting further weakness on Aussie. Okay, so this move is the one, what if I'm not mistaken, this is what we predicted. And now it's testing this support around 7170. Okay. So with looking at the current condition, okay, very likely this is going to break this level. I think I mentioned it even last week. 70 cent is the one I'm looking at it, okay, sometime very soon, okay. But whether it's happened straight like this or there is a retracement and then breaking up, okay. So it can happen both ways, but still for me, same macam gold, I'm looking at the US dollar strength, okay, because US dollar strength still not yet fully orang kata shown ataupun got the effect. So US dollar still have a long way to be a bit stronger, okay. Tapi just to be a bit orang kata give the idea, I think most likely there will be a short retracement, and then it will break and then test back the broken support, okay, and then goes. This might be happening during the FOMC. This big drop might happen during the FOMC news, okay. But of course here there might be a bit of a rejection ataupun retracement. But market is predicting this 70 cent also might be broken, okay. This 70 cent might be broken and then can come to 69.90 ataupun 69 cent, okay. So this, if whether it happens end of this month after FMC ataupun it happens after an NFP first week of February, we don't know, but the market direction at this point looks something like this. That means we are looking at it a bit of a retracement, breaking, retracement, maybe sharp drop, a bit of a retracement, then one more drop, and then continue. So this might be the the move, it looks like, because market at this point not yet moving on a good risk on at this point, okay. So we are looking at it this move for Aussie, okay. But of course if kalau they break macam 72.50 ataupun 73, then you guys just have to watch out. That means it might go to make one more lower high, then comes down, okay. Sama macam gold, this can happen if suddenly with next week market sentiment suddenly turn quite good, positive, then this might be possible. But at this point, the way how it looks like, I'm still kind of orang kata, as long as data break atas ni, is still on the downward move. Okay.
Okay, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So itu analisa untuk pair AUD USD
Oh, ada satu lagi yang tadi yang biasa GU.
Yes.
Siapa tu? Zoe.
Yes.
Okay, I think Zoe also probably boleh inilah, mungkin boleh komen dekat sini. I think last week we talked about this move also. Okay, kalau Zoe betul-betul follow lah. I think it was here somewhere. Sekejap saya just take 17 January. 17 January kat sini. Okay. Okay, so I think we still say this will be the bearish move. Okay, so sekarang ni dia dah turun. Of course, dia turun tu bukan straight, so that's why sometimes we cannot get it exactly. Dia turun, lepas tu nampak macam dia nak naik. So this will probably some of the sellers get caught ataupun kena BE apa semua. Then dia turun balik. So this is where most of the time kita traders pun kadang-kadang takut-takut ataupun kita tersalah. Kita memang kita nak sell, tapi bila kita sell, okay, kita tengah sell, lepas tu tiba-tiba naik, sama ada kena B ataupun kita dah over trade, kita dah ni dapat, lepas tu dia sambung balik ikut direction kita. Okay, but nevertheless kalau kita jaga MM, of course is easier said than done. Saya pun kadang-kadang bila market tengah kita tengah biru, kadang-kadang kita pun terlebih confident and then over trade. Okay, tapi nevertheless kalau kita follow kita punya analisa atau SOP, we should be able to make some money. Okay, whether we do a trailing stock ataupun kita BE ataupun we just make sure kita kawal risiko kita lah. Okay, so sekarang ni dia ada dekat 1.3550. Okay, I believe sama macam AU ataupun even sama macam gold, probably I'm expecting a bit of a minor retracement. Okay, very likely during FMC, I'm expecting maybe one more leg down ataupun after FMC also maybe two more leg down, something like this. Okay, not necessarily sampai sini, it may be come up. Okay, sama macam a bit a deeper pullback, then come down. Okay, so this might be the zone. Okay, that I'm expecting. Very unlikely, saya rasa dia akan naik semula. Okay, ke atas sebelum turun. But again, this part you guys have to follow. Okay, very difficult for us to. But net the direction looks something like this. Somewhere dekat 134 ataupun 134.50 ataupun if the statement is very hawkish, it can go even up to about 133 punya zone. Okay, so it depends how you guys want to manage risk reward. Whether you want to take 1 to 3, 1 to 5, 1 to 6. It all depends where you start sell. Basically, my point of view is sell on rally. Okay, on GU. Okay, Bun.
Okay, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So